Hey guys, whether you are on PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, mobile, PC, doesn't really matter, and you are stuck in this white screen, well, that's because it's loading, it's just connecting. You have to just let it be. You're actually not stuck. It will connect now because there's a lot of people connecting at the same time. It should technically give you another screen where it would tell you that you are kind of waiting to actually get into Fortnite, um, but at the moment it doesn't. So after the white screen, you should see this. But you gotta be patient. Just let it hang there. If not, just restart your game. And by restarting your game, I mean restart your console or your PC. Just restart it. You should be okay. Make sure you ran the update before, obviously, logging into Fortnite. But other than that, you should be alright. You can just press A and get started with the game. So this is the first time I'm just starting up in chapter 3, season 1. So I actually did not see this yet myself because I was also kind of stuck in the loading screen. Again, kind of, because we're never really stuck there. You just gotta be patient until this loads up. And that's because a lot of people are trying to load it all at the same time. So you kind of have to wait for it. So right now, I'm just gonna play this so you guys can see what is going on. So once we get done with this startup of the whole thing, it's kind of like ending of what we just played, then we can actually start playing Fortnite. So this kind of like the intro type of thing. I'm assuming we're just gonna sit here. Yep, we're gonna sit here, press X or square if you're on PlayStation. And here we go.
There's much more you don't even remember. You've all fought a good fight. But until we set the 0 point free, we'll be facing threats like the last reality. And worse. There will be no escaping it. That's why I need your help to destroy the imagined order. As long as they're exploiting the 0 point, everything is in danger. With your help, we can free ourselves from this place and leave the loop for good. We can all go home.
So that was pretty interesting and good graphics. Obviously after that we should see kind of this thing loading in. Another type of trailer coming up with a new map. If there's any glitches, it's okay. The chapter just started, so this is normal, guys. Alright, so at this point in time, we can just go back. You can take a look at everything. And that's it. You can take a look at the battle pass or just get to playing this thing. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.